Houston, we have a cybersecurity problem. Are you prepared? Meet Typhoon, a notorious cyber espionage group from China, infiltrating telecom networks worldwide. The latest advisory reveals they're exploiting misconfigurations and known vulnerabilities in routers, switches, and firewalls. 8 US telecom companies have already felt their sting. So how do you stay ahead of these sophisticated threats? Impress IT Solutions in Houston has your back. We start with comprehensive vulnerability assessments. We scan for misconfigurations and outdated hardware and analyze internet-facing vulnerabilities. Then we implement proactive defense strategies, like real-time network flow monitoring and role-based access control. We ensure strict password policies and phishing-resistant multi-factor authentication. Next, we harden your network, securing routers, switches, and firewalls with a default deny strategy, deploying strong network segmentation, and disabling unnecessary services. If an intrusion happens, our expert team rapidly detects, isolates, and remedies the breach, ensuring minimal exposure. Continuous support and monitoring keep your systems compliant and resilient. In this evolving cyber landscape, Impress IT Solutions is your cybersecurity ally. Protect your networks, secure your data, and stay one step ahead of Typhoon. Contact Impress IT Solutions today and secure your future.